Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up and marketing our program using Pinterest pins. Let's get started. First, if you don't already have one, sign up for a Pinterest business account. Go to Pinterest and click on Create a Business Account. Fill out your profile information, including a description of your business and a link to your website. Make sure your profile reflects the professionalism and purpose of our program. Create boards related to finance, accounting, debt collection, and business. Examples include debt collection tips, financial management, and accounting advice. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create visually appealing pins. Include catchy titles, engaging visuals, and your website URL or affiliate link to drive traffic. Pin your created content to relevant boards. Ensure each pin links back to your website or landing page where prospects can sign up for the program. Conduct keyword research to understand what terms your target audience is searching for. Use Pinterest's keyword tool or third-party tools like SEMrush or keywordtool.io. Develop a pinning schedule and strategy. Decide how often you'll pin new content and which boards to prioritize. Consistency is key. Share valuable content related to debt collection, financial management, and accounting. This could include blog posts, infographics, videos, and case studies. Create pins specifically promoting our program. Highlight the benefits of joining, such as earning commissions, additional revenue streams, and the support provided. Enable rich pins for your website. Rich pins provide additional information directly on the pin and can increase engagement with your content. Respond to comments on your pins, follow relevant accounts, and engage with content in your niche. This will increase your visibility and help build a community. Join relevant group boards in your niche and contribute valuable content. This expands your reach and exposes your pins to a larger audience. Include relevant hashtags in your pin descriptions to increase discoverability. Use a mix of broad and niche-specific hashtags to reach a wider audience. Use Pinterest Analytics to track the performance of your pins and boards. Identify which content resonates with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. Consider running promoted pins campaigns to increase visibility and reach a larger audience. Set your campaign objectives to drive traffic to your website or sign-up page. Regularly monitor your Pinterest analytics and adjust your strategy based on what's working best. Experiment with different types of content, pin designs, and posting times to optimize your results. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and market our program using Pinterest pins. Reach potential affiliates, expand your program's reach, and grow your network. Thank you for watching.